Hello guys, I'm Hassan Chakor and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, this is the 12th lecture of AutoCAD 2021 and in this we see how to use P-Edit in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. To use the P-Edit command means polyline edit command. First we make a geometry. With the polyline. And press enter. In this way we make a geometry with the polyline. Now we see the P-Edit tool. Press PE and enter. Now it prompts you to select a polyline. I select my polyline. Now it shows some tools: join, width, edit vertex, fit, spline, decurve, line type generate, reverse and undo. The first one is the join. If I want to join some new segments in our current polyline, and for that make new segment with the line tool like this. If I want to join this segment with this polyline, type PE and press enter. Select your polyline and join. Select the object. I select my new object and press enter. In this way you can join your new segment with the current polyline geometry. So go to P-Edit again, select your polyline. Now go to width. If I select the width, if I give the width 0.5 unit and press enter, all the segment of polyline converted into 1 unit width. Now go back. Now go to P-Edit tool again and select your polyline. Now go to edit vertex. It shows previous, break, insert, move, tangent and width option. Now go to P-Edit again, select your polyline. Now go to edit vertex. Click on next. If I want to break my polyline geometry from this point, I click on break. Click on go and enter. In this way I can break my geometry from this line segment. Now go to P-Edit again, click on polyline, edit vertex and now click on insert. If I click here, a new vertex added in the polyline geometry. Now P-Edit again, click on this edit vertex and click on move. If I want to move it here, I click here. Now this segment will move from this point to this point. In this way we edit our vertex. Now click on fit. So it converted into arc geometry. If you click on spline, it converted into arc, which are using in the tracing of some objects. And if you click on decurve, your polyline segment converted into original geometry. So in this way you can use this join, width, edit vertex, fit, spline, decurve, and these two options we see in the later videos. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment and take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.